Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to calculate Ksp from solubility and also solubility from Ksp. For this question, we're given the solubility of barium sulfate in water as 0.010 molarity. And they're asking us to calculate the Ksp. The first thing we do is to write out the dissolution equation, which is BaSO4. Now, when this is dissolved in water, it's going to give us the ions. So Ba is in group 2, so it has a positive 2 charge. SO4, a polyatomic ion that has a 2 negative charge. This is the dissolution equation. Now, if the solubility of BaSO4 is 0.010 molar, then since this is 1-to-1 ratio and also this is 1-to-1 ratio, they will both have the same solubility. Now we figured out the solubility of the ions, we're going to write out the Ksp expression. So our Ksp will be equal to Ba2 plus concentration times SO4 2 negative. And then we simply plug in the values, 0.010 times 0.010, and that will give us 0.00010, and that's our Ksp. Okay, so that's simply how you calculate the Ksp when given the solubility. The second question I have says the Ksp of PbCl2 is 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of -5. Calculate the solubility of PbCl2 in moles per liter. So this is more like the opposite of what we did before. The other one, we calculated the Ksp from solubility. This time we're calculating the solubility from the Ksp. So the first thing you would do, again, is to write out the dissolution equation, okay? So PbCl2 will dissociate into Pb2 plus and 2Cl negative. So the Ksp expression, which is the next step, is going to be equal to Pb2 plus times Cl negative raised to the power of 2 because of this 2 here. Now we have the expression written. If this is x, this is going to be x, while this will be 2x. Okay, so we're going to assume that the solubility is x. Now, this is 2 because you have 2 here, okay? This is going to be exactly the same because it's 1-to-1 ratio of the compound. So now we plug in the values. We have 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of -5 equals, this is x times 2s squared. Okay, so this will be x times 2 squared is 4s squared. And then this is going to be 4s cubed. The next step, we're going to divide both sides by 4. So this 4 we cancel over here. And then we have x cubed equals 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of -5 divided by 4. That gives me 4 times 10 raised to the power of -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -6. So to find x, I'm going to do the cube root of both sides. Okay. The idea is this will cancel out on this side, and you have just your x. So x will be equal to the cube root of the 4 times 10 raised to the power of -6, which will give 0.0159, and this will be moles per liter. The final solubility would then be 0.016 moles per liter. So round that up to 2 significant figures, and that will be our final answer. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share to others who might benefit from this video. And have a wonderful day. Bye.